Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into Shotcut, the free and open source video editor to learn how to blur multiple regions in your video, whether you're hiding sensitive information, faces, or just adding a creative touch. This tutorial has got you covered. Let's get started. First, open Shotcut and load your video clip. Just drag and drop it into the timeline. Make sure your playhead is positioned at the start of where you want the blur effect. Once your video is loaded, let's move to the filters panel. Now let's add the first simple shape. Click on your video track, go to the filters panel and click on the plus icon. Search for simple mask. I want to blur the two birds' heads. Set the first mask's operation to overwrite. Let me add a second simple shape. From here, all mask shape filters you add, set the operation to maximum. Let me add a third one to cover part of the table. Now let's add the blur filter. Now let's add the apply mask filter. I forgot to set the operation to maximum on the third simple shape. And that's how you blur multiple regions in Shotcut. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Shotcut tips and video editing tutorials. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.